Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of 2 Minutes Tuesday. So today we are going to see how we can do perspective transformation inside Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's hit the timer. Okay, as you can see over here, I have an image imported, and I'm going to take a type tool and directly I'm going to type over here perspective transformation, and might be I can do in 2 lines. Also, I can change my color of text over here. For this example, I'm going to keep it white. After that, I'm going in edit and I'm going to take over here perspective warp, right? So it will ask layer to be rasterized first. I'm saying yes, and I'm going to drag something like that over here. And same way, I'm going to drag from this side as well. Cause मेरे को दोनों walls पे चाहिए वो. So after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit warp, and it will ask, you can warp now, right? So technically, this face is good, and I'm starting warping my text. And once we are satisfied, what I can do, I can hit enter, and very easily I'm having my this thing. What else we can do? I want my character to be on top, so I can directly I have layer over here and I can just pull it upward, something like that. And if you want your text should be behind this frame, so I have a frame cutout, then directly I can place my frame cutout over here, and as you can see, I have very precisely transformed my text according to perspective. What else you can do? Just you can double click over here just to open your layer styles, and here I can blend my text more precisely. So as you can see, by using these techniques, we can place any text, any sort of poster according to our perspective, and we can blend it according to our requirement. So I hope this technique will help you to grow your work in Photoshop. And if you learn something new today, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. With this said, this is VFX5 signing off. Have a good day.